So here, if you want to solve this kind of a problem, make sure that the bases are the same. Do you understand? The bases are the same. So to change the bases, you use your calculator. Okay. So press 9 and say equal, you will get 9. Do you see? And say shift and say fact. Do you see fact there? So fact is that one. So this is how I change that 9 there. So it become like what? 2 and outside there is 3. Then to change 20, check something. How will I change that 20? So I'll say 20 and say equal and say shift and say fact. Do you see what I got for 20? So it means there it's 20 multiplied by, do you see? Yeah. Then now to change 4, and also I'll try to change 5, also try to change 3. Yeah. So let's change 4. We'll say 4 equal and say shift and say fact. You see most study, yeah. So which is there, it's 2. Then for 5 now, it will be 5 equal shift fact. Do you see? It means that it means that 5, we cannot change it. 5 cannot be changed. So I'll just put 5 as the way it was. Let's try 3. So 3 equal and say shift fact. Do you see? This thing you cannot change it. So you'll put the way it is. Do you see? Yeah. So here I just change all the bases to be the same. Here I got the base which is the same as 2. I got the base which is the same as 5. I got the base which is same. Do you see? So okay, now let's apply our laws of exponent. Exponent outside, multiply each exponent inside. This thing, it will give me 3. This thing, it's what? It's 6. Multiply. This thing will multiply inside. Here there is invisible 1. Here it will give me 2 and 4. And multiply by 5 and 2. So the bracket will just disappear after you multiply. Do you see that? Yeah. So get here I just got what? Yeah. Here it's just invisible 1. Yeah. Because it is 1 there. The moment I change it, do you see invisible 1? So that one multiply there, it will give you the same thing. Say multiply. So here invisible 1 multiply there, it's 2. Here multiply there, 5. You see my study? Yeah. And now what I know is that when I divide the same base, I minus the exponent. So this one I can just group them aside. Or let me just write this thing down like this way. Let me group them like this. Here it's 2, 4. Here it's 5, 2. And here it's 2. And 2, it's 2. So here what I just did, I just grouped them. Do you see? And now I know when I divide the same base, I will minus the exponent. So this one, it goes with that one, that one, that one. So this thing, it will give me what? It will give me 3, 6 minus by 5. And here it's 2, 4 minus by what? By 2. And here it's 2 minus by 2. Do you see? So okay, now this thing, it will give me what here? It will give me 3, which is 1. And here it give me 2, which is 2. Give me 5, which is 0. And you know that anything that has exponent 0, it's what? It's 1 here. And here it's, and this thing, if you can press now, it's 2 times 2 there, which is 4. And here is just, and remember, if there is nothing here, there is what? There is multiply. Do you see that? There is a dot. If there is nothing, there is a dot here. And dot represent what? Multiply. Do you see most of it? Which can be represented like this. So this thing, it tells me that 3 multiplied by 4, it's 12. Multiplied by 1, it's 12. Do you see? So this is how we apply the law of exponent. Make sure that when you solve this thing, first make the bases to be the same. Then apply your laws.